Welcome back to another Millon video. Right now we're gonna go to the beach, and we're here with Sammy, Junior, and Rayleigh, and Sari behind the camera.
Yeah, same bro. Anyway.
In the limo.
On our way now. It's hot in this car. Someone got off on the wrong exit.
It's the map's fault. Yeah.
No. Because even I was looking and I knew it was wrong. Hey, the game.
Niggas recording for like 10 seconds, 20 seconds on us. They fucking move it.
On our way to go get the food. Wingstop, I think. Okay, so we came to get the food and bags secured. Gordo's over there.
Alright, so right now I just did the server on the bottom. I just did the survey to get free.
Oh, wait. Oh.
Take this.
Bags secured. Tan calientes. Oh my god. They're waiting for us in the car over there. They're all hot. We're going though. On our way to the beach now.
I'm gonna say cancel this way. Only for the
It's fucking hot. Well, no, actually, no, I'm lying. It's not hot yet in the car. But this one is such a crazy. We finally made it, guys. After like an hour. We were in the car for a long ass time, bro. Like, my ass is here now. Oh, yes.
First of all,
And they cut everything down. Hold on. Cute.
We gotta find a pit first.
And they could get everything down. Okay. Just kidding, we're gonna help.
Oh, come on.
It's just cold.
I know, why is it windy? I knew it was gonna happen.
What's wrong with that shit?
Alright, well,
I'll take it off.
let's help. Oh, why is there like sand coming out already?
Ooh, the soccer ball.
is this for cats? Somebody. Hold it.
Oh, okay.
You mean?
Alright, finally. Soon we'll all be on one of those. Alright, we're setting this weekend setup. Bruh. I'm sure there's a letter. It's like a C. I think the like hey, we got it. Shout out Rayleigh, man. Oh yeah, shout out the Millon team.
Check out my shirt.
Alright, got the food set up.
With a little bit of sand on top.
Where's the speaker at?
Wow, look at that. Look at that milk right there.
We gotta stick this into this music.
Bro,
I have no service.
it's all good. Like everyone's eating. Oh,
You have Apple Music,
everyone's eating.
Yeah, but I didn't download.
The beach? The right? I'm like the beach. No, what was that about in the car?
Nah, cause you started first and he helped me out.
What did I say?
What was the song saying?
The lyric was like, you say I'm not your type or something like that. Yes, it did. I'll pull up the lyrics.
It says you've been saying you're so tired.
Bro, I'll pull up the lyrics right now, and I am.
Alright, so right now some kids just came up to us and they're sending the Kool-Aids, and Junior decided to help them out.
So he's gonna try it now.
Is it guy? That big guy?
What happened? It's good?
It's like
That big,
really.
But no way you just said that.
The big guy.
Is it?
Oh,
That bit tough.
Yeah, that bit tough.
Awesome. It's not bad.
Now time to taste the pineapple.
That looks good.
Oh, that's
Pineapple.
Oh.
Hey, I'm gonna look gay doing that shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it good?
Chécate esa.
Both go. That big guy?
Wait, that's good actually.
That
Oh
bit
my
tough?
god, I want to try it now. Tahin.
Oh, that bit tough.
It tastes like a candy.
Very good. But sadly they didn't have the red flavor or like green apple or like blueberry grape. Yeah. Okay.
No, it's good though. It was 10.
I give it
Oh, I put sand on my.
I give it a 6.
6 out of 10.
Yeah. Why you keep putting it at me, bro?
I give it 8 out of 10.
I give it a 7.
Like a 7.
I give it like a 7.5. It would have been higher if it was like cold, but it's not that cold though. But it's like room temperature. It was cold. Just 8. Finished.
I'm home.
Hey, we made it to Hawaii. We're in
We're in Honolulu.
Maui.
We are in Hawaii.
We're in Oahu.
Oh, nigga, my fucking book.
Look at my hair. The dude made it out. Alright,
Mira más
Fitz.
aquí tranquilo en México, We made it, fool.
We made it. Oh. Oh, hell no, that's not mine.
Why not gay?
They think they're like in Mazatlan or something. But right now, once we go back, we're gonna play a little soccer. Do some panza.
Mazatlan days.
Do some panza.
Man, we some bolillos right.
Play soccer. Hey, give me that. Oh, taking it away.
Look at Ray. Let's see what Rayleigh got.
Stop that shit. Bro, what? Oh, do it again. Yeah.
Okay, Sammy.
Come on, Rayleigh.
No, hombre. Fuck no. I suck how to play. It's because we don't have any shoes on us. I know, but I'm still playing. And we got our feet wet, so it hurts more.
And I got my shorts open to dry.
Go, go, go.
Go, babe, go.
Go.
What do you hit with the head?
Go. Nigga, looks like he's doing the point. Go for it. Go for it. Go, go. Go. Go, Sadie. Go.
Right, a little soccer break. Taking a
Oh,
little
yeah,
break.
wait, watch.
Damn, I had coronavirus.
Panera. What is this?
Are you liking it, Rayleigh?
Bro,
Chaca.
look at how,
Can you send me?
red my foot is from kicking the ball.
Are you liking
Hey!
Good.
it? And you?
Aquí tengo abierta para las mine. Huh?
Whew. Got a little sugar break.
La big guy.
That bit tough. Alright, we just finished playing soccer. How do you guys feel?
Tired already? My feet hurt.
Tired, bro. And you, Junior?
And you and Junior don't know how to play. You guys are...
Nah.
Don't start your look.
Sarai, Rayleigh, and Sammy, they all lost.
Twice.
No, I didn't
We
win.
basically red right here and red
No,
right here.
no, no.
You did.
If there's no
For the
proof,
win.
It's not real.
Look, it's red right here and red right here.
A ver, move out the
Look,
leg.
my toes red
Move.
too.
No. A ver, let me see.
Look, right here.
No, that's from the sand when you scratch yourself. That's a bite.
When I
Comment
started
down
crying,
below who do you guys think's fault it is.
it was Junior's fault.
To my
It
thousand
was Junior
subscribers.
Gordo were playing too
Nah,
good.
nah, nah.
And Ray.
Hard. That was helping.
They're just mad that me and Junior, they look my hair. Alright. But now we're gonna go bring the car closer so that we can get the wood and start the bonfire because there's no pits right here, so we're gonna have to dig it up.
I mean, it's anything, but that's gonna take forever.
Hey guys, we're now taking off this stuff to do the pond. Pond.
No, because you have to smell stuff. Your camera girl.
I'm not holding that. I'm already holding stuff. For what? I gotta see my TikTok.
He said, the hospital.
We're dead ass using this?
We're doing a review on the.
Look at how dirty you got my water.
That shit was right there right now.
You're throwing? Forget about your boyfriend. That's the fast way?
Now we're gonna be in these shoes like,
That shit busted.
hey, give me some.
That shit's tight.
We need to have some like music. Yeah. Hey, hold on. Oh, fuck. This shit is too cold. I didn't hurry up, run. Before they make us carry stuff. Real. We don't know how to carry anything. Bro, my freaking shits hurt so bad.
Oh, I already know our feet are gonna hurt tomorrow. Like,
They're
to
gonna be
walk.
red. We're shivering. It's too cold, bro. Oh my god, look at the doggy though. Well, it's a big old dog. Is that a
Scared to
doggy?
pet that shit. Like, guys, we're gonna change because it got too cold for us to be
It's
wearing this.
freezing. But look at the sunset. It looks cute.
Look at such a bitch ass head. Why are you taking pictures?
Alright, now we're digging.
Hey!
Hey, like first time.
Hurry up, bro.
Hey,
Help! What are you doing?
No.
should I buy that thing from TikTok shop to make my back straight like this? Because I know when I be at work, I'll be like this. I'll put the initial. Cool, because the gas pipeline. Well, hey! I thought treasure. I don't think there's treasure here, guys. I don't want to do that shit. I'm tired.
Wait, don't get up. Wait, when you get up, don't get up fast. My head is
Bro, let me try.
Hey, let Vegas try. Hey, you just put all the sand now. Ready? With your cobija? Or whatever?
Epic
Oh,
fail.
lock it behind some or right there.
Oye.
Hey, with your cobija? ¿A qué más?
Quemar el fondillo.
Hey, Juanma, ¿qué onda, plan B? Compa Rayleigh, come on! No que narco, this and that. Come on, fool.
This is all we got.
This is all I got.
How the fuck does she not turn on?
Pinche verga, valió pito.
Over there. Oh, that bit's up.
Go, go. Blow on that shit.
Right there, right there, right there.
Check it out.
Don't do more.
Check it out.
Sóplale, sóplale, sóplale.
No, why would you move the fucking brake? Pinche inútil.
The wind turned it off. The
Oh
wind.
my fucking god.
Yeah, well, don't move it, don't move it.
Do not try this at home. No, Sammy. Sadi, move the fuck out the way.
That shit. Yeah, not too much.
Aquí en Hawaii, con la familia.
So attempt number a million on trying to do this.
It's already started.
Yeah. No, more.
More.
I can't reach.
I'm just looking up the sand.
Yeah.
Don't look at my ass, bro. Look at you filming.
I'm dead ass like.
Look like bro. Sammy!
Hey, she's in drill. Hold on, she didn't cheer at me. Damn, bro, I would have fucking cracked my fucking bubble
It's
open.
not even a circle. It's like a
The oval.
That shit looks like your head.
No. Oh! He stepped on it.
Okay, guys, I tried helping and I fucking
fell and I hurt my foot. Ew, they're black. Don't swim, actually. It's because of the sand. Bro, this is just too much, bro.
Move your butt, verga.
We just made it wider. That shit's not even deep.
You're
Bruh.
supposed to throw it, fool.
Set it down. We've all tried already. It's last attempt.
Nigga, first of all, the fucking umbrella's facing the wrong way, fool. More this way, to yours, towards you. Yes, like that.
Is there any oil? Oh yeah, no, I.
Oh, don't tell me you guys didn't say.
Bro, this is an epic fail, bro. I'm never coming to the beach again.
Never coming with kids, bro.
Shout out, we got helpers. That's how embarrassing we do. Well, hopefully it starts at. Hey, shout out. Go subscribe to them. I'm just kidding.
Ayora. Goofy ass. Oh shit. Finally, we got it to turn. Well, not we. Look, it's gonna turn on.
What the fuck? And this dumbass too, fool. That's too far. Dude.
Alright, go you.
I'm not, bro, it's just gonna turn off.
I say.
Pissing me off, bro. He doesn't know how
This
to
one here
shit.
trying to be God.
Bro, can we just go home? This is fucking embarrassing.
Put it close. Oh.
We didn't dig it deep enough.
Wait a
Yeah.
minute.
I'm getting mine. Oh,
That's why it's burning more because it's fucking rubber.
I can't give up yet.
That's like.
Can't give up yet.
I feel kind of bad because my head is hurting from smelling that shit so much. And what happened?
That wasn't me, that was speaker.
What's it called? Winter what?
I low key rather
What's
be
the
at
one in
home because I'm
What's it called?
kind of bored and
What's the Bluetooth thing called?
The song.
Oh, Cinderella. I've been waiting all this time. Oh,
huh?
yeah. Okay, how do you feel? Eight. I know. Cut. Me too. Bro, all the fucking things sitting in
It's a huge ass mess. And it's not us.
We did not think this would happen, bro.
Wait, someone edit me if they're watching this.
It's gonna be alright. Hey, hit that gritty on them.
Guys, that was cringe. I know. Let me stop.
Day, fit of the day.
Bro, fit of the day when we look all homeless.
Right, hat.
Hey, show your info. Show your info.
Fuck no.
Black Adidas sweater. Great, green Lacoste. I always wear it.
Oh shh.
Great Lacoste.
Stupid ass.
Great
Hey.
Lacoste, I always wear it. And easy slide.
My other outfit was way cuter, but sweater from Ross, I think, and my chanclas are from Chucky, but this one, look at my feet.
Next. Speed run.
I forgot whose hoodie. Oh, this is Mason's.
Jason.
This is from H&M. And my Coach sandals.
Alright, really? Go.
I got Lacoste shirt, Apple Watch, jewelry. We got Psycho Bunny and we got Boss size.
And the hat?
Now we got the Michael hat, 31.
Alright, Junior ASAP. Alright, speed run.
Crocs, I think Levi's, Junior resales, and I think Junior resales too.
And the chain, how much?
Man, 10K, man.
Some of this for me.
It's all right here.
Hell no, me niggas my bitch. No, we only say you gotta go back, baby. Niggas out here making bread.
But really?
Where's it at?
Care about no title.
That's my bitch.
Yo. It's still on.
It got,
Let me in the chat.
we got it to turn on.
Shout out to those guys.
Sacrifice my shirt.
They're not even in there. Is it?
Put it in so I can get more.
I don't even know where it's at.
So we're cleaning up now. We're cleaning up. Ew, Junior. A mess. And as soon as this actually like started like staying still and everything, we have to leave because it's already, what time is it? It is 9:37 and at 10. We have to leave at 10, I think. I don't know what it is, but somebody help Gordo. Oh, he's strong. Ooh. What the fuck?
I'm gonna do a spell.
1, 2, 3. Oh my! That's the second time that shit happened.
You chapin, wait!
If it melts like sand, they're gonna turn glass.
It's melting that shit.
It's disappearing. Look.
Hey, well, why do you guys cover it and if someone steps over it, they're gonna burn their feet?
Good. That
Ask
looks
you doing the
so.
last one.
I said no. I'm okay. Thank you. Ew. Ahora.
Okay, my turn for the shot.
Para abajo.
Next is Rayleigh, next is Rayleigh.
Fondo,
Wait,
fondo,
can
shot,
somebody help
shot,
me?
Shot, shot, shot.
Go, wait, go again. You gotta wait.
Shot, 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 shot.
Un shot,
Para
dos shot, tres shot, cuatro shot.
Para.
Hey, finish the whole bottle, Paul.
Can somebody
Oh,
help
wait,
me?
wait. She's not recording, she's not
Wait, it's
recording.
because nobody's helping
Go, go,
me. Like,
go.
seriously. Like, literally, how I'm fucking standing, bro.
Alright, go. Fondo, fondo, fondo.
You gotta turn this way.
Fondo.
Suba!
Like how he did.
Look at this nigga.
Subscribe.
I've been waiting all this time for this moment.
I've been waiting all
What
year.
song are you gonna play first? 6 link.
Tell your little fresh, you're gonna be alright. Wait, my face is wet. Okay, guys, so next we're stopping by McDonald's. 'Cause
Yeah.
what the fuck, I'm hungry. No, wait.
And what we're gonna do? Wait, hold on.
And then look, I want Starbucks too, but
We're gonna go to McDonald's right now, supposedly, and then we're gonna ask the cashier to pick a card.
I'm not putting mine though. So.
I'll show you all the time. Promise you I'll change your mind. Just let me free you. Keep this between me and you. Let me free your mind. Don't go telling all your friends that we in love for real. No, don't telling all your friends that we in love for real. She ain't got a body like that.
Alright, so we just got to McDonald's.
Finally found a grub.
Nigga, I didn't click. Nigga.
Oops.
Philly coffee.
Yeah, nah, I didn't. She clicked. I'm comfortable. I was trying to talk to you, but she clicked. What?
We just came out from
Kinda cold, dead ass.
What the?
Hey, that's what's up. Hey, they're happy to see me. Oh my god, I thought you guys turned off the light.
Hasta la muerte. Hasta la muerte.
Hasta la muerte. No, it's because you.
Cammy looks so sad. Okay, so we're eating now. They already ate his chicken
Add
nuggets.
some boba to this.
I'm sad. I wanted to get a caramel frap, but oh, I know.
Whoa.
He's not high. Look at his eyes.
I already ate too much junk. You're gay. You're gayer.
Brady, how was your day? Rate it 1 out of 10.
Huh?
Rate your day 1 out of 10.
So the theory is real. The cameraman doesn't eat.
Oh. Here, take a bite, bro.
No way. Oh, look at others.
Wait, take a bite you first, guys.
No,
Like,
yeah.
You were just drinking some of my smoothie.
Drinking, not eating. Ooh. But everybody slide that shit. Alright, that's gonna conclude today's beach video. Sammy's about to leave right now. She's gonna get picked up. I had to drop her off at 8. And they're gonna go home after. Thanks you guys for watching. See you guys on the next video.
Put a clip of me like speeding off. At the end.
All right.